Ladies and gentlemen, the sea is very wild today. There's all sandbags up against these buildings where the sea is coming so far. The sea is wild today. There's sandbags everywhere to prevent it going further. And I am here in Clacton to bring you the latest on the high tides, the sandbags, and what is going on right now here in Clacton. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the sandbags are not just there for fun. They are there to stop the sea going into the road. There is very wild weather today. Just take a look at the sea as we speak. It's very wild today. It seems wild. So take care out there. The seas are very wild, and these sandbags are not just here for show. They are here because there has been some very high tides all the way along here. The sands come right up to there. It's all gone inside there. You can see by all the stones and the sands. More sandbags. All the sands come here. It's come right round there. So it's come right up to here. Ladies and gentlemen, take care out there.